So in this question, you're asked to prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus of sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. Very straightforward question. So if you take the LHS, how does it look like? Cos A cos B minus of sin A sin B, right? If you take this as A and this as B, this looks like cos A cos B minus of sin A sin B. So what is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B? Cos of A plus B, right? So pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. That is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 becomes pi by 2 minus of x plus y. And cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. That is equal to sin of x plus y, which is the RHS, hence is proved. Thank you.